Howdy crew, bringing y'all along on a shopping spree for the welding rig at Lowe's. Let's get to it. I know y'all have been really enjoying the welding rig hauls, and so I figured I'd bring y'all along for a little bit of a welding rig shopping haul experience. This is at Lowe's. I do have the Lowe's card, so I do get 5% back in the store, which is great, helps save some money. First and foremost, going to be getting a DeWalt area light, extends up to 7 foot tall. It is $230. I was going to buy this last year, but as y'all know, the welding rig kept getting pushed back on when it was going to be built. So I'm buying some things this year, and that way it gets put on this year's tax returns. And it's just going to help save even more money once that comes around. So anywho's going to be loading this critter on up. And again, the 5% back, it really does help, especially when you're buying items such as this. I know some folks may say if you're buying a couple little tools here or there, may not save much money. It does, but when you're buying stuff like this, the Klein 3-plane laser, which is absolutely amazing, $350, it does save a lot of money. And I really enjoy these 3-plane lasers. They're absolutely amazing. That's why I'm springing for this one. I know it's more expensive, but I'm getting it. And then different squares. I really like these where they're actually notched in. The other ones were laser etched, and I like those, but I like these to where they actually have the grooves in it. So 3 different squares, a very small one, a medium-sized one, and a decent-sized one. Obviously, there are much bigger ones, but for right now, these will do. Now I'll be going for extension cords. I'll be getting one that's about $55 and one that's at $100. One is going to be 50 foot long, the other one's going to be 100 foot long. They are going to be 12 gauge, so that way they can handle the amps, they can handle heavier duty conditions outside, out and about, so that way job site stuff, it's not going to be wearing them down as much. I would like something a little bit thicker, but they had these, so these will do just fine. And again, this one's going to be the 50 foot, it'll be about $55, and then this one's going to be about $100 for 100 foot. So that way I don't have to bring out 100 foot if I only need 50 feet for either the chop saw, the magnetic drill mount, any of that stuff. So this is really good. Loading these on in. I didn't get any footage of it, but I did get 2 fire extinguishers, and these are rated for electrical fires as well. I'll go into more detail once I do the unboxing of those. I'll do unboxings of all these in separate vlogs, but I figured a shopping haul would be fun and exciting, something different, something new. But make sure if you're getting the fire extinguishers for a welding rig that they are rated for electrical fires, because if you have all those leads, all those cords, all those wires, the machine running, and something's going wrong electrically, the probability of having just a regular fire extinguisher do the job is minimal. You don't want to get yourself hurt or possibly even killed by using just a regular little fire extinguisher that's not rated for electrical fires. Another reason for getting heavy duty cords, heavy duty leads, you don't want to have the possibility of electrical fire broadened. You don't want to have such a huge risk of it. That's why you get heavier duty cords, heavier duty leads. It minimizes the risk, but it is not preventing it 100%. That's why I get heavy duty fire extinguishers. They can handle a lot. Yes, they're very expensive. These were each about $80 a piece, maybe $90 a piece, but they can handle the electrical hazards, and that is most important, because electrical fire, you don't want to spill water on it. You don't want to use an insufficient fire extinguisher. You need something that's heavy duty, and I'll definitely go more into detail on that once I'm unboxing those. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog.